Have you ever had one of those jobs where you have done it so many times on your vehicle and you're just really tired of doing it? Well, here's one of those. Today I'm going to swap the gear ratio in my differential. It's a little more involved than just pulling out one piece and sticking in another. I've got to take things apart. But I've done this rear end about 3 different times so far. Changing gear ratios, changing complete housings, changing another one because I found a crack in the pinion inside bearing, whatever that's called. So, I'm really tired of doing this, but I'm hoping this is the last time. Today, I'm putting in a set of 3.50 gears. That's what the goal is. Anyway, I hope it all works. Right now I'm taking out a set of 3.70s. I've had 389s, a couple of them. Anyway, I'm trying to get some highway gears in it. Today it's the end of March. It's still cold, probably about +1 or 2 Celsius right now, but I'm really getting antsy. I want to get this thing going. And it's the first really warm enough day. There, I've got the wheels off, I've got the drums off, got the axle, anchor, flanges, nuts removed. Now it's time to yank the axles out, and then we'll take the drive shaft off. There's a lot of you guys that are going to be whining about I should have used my slide hammer. Okay, fine, might have done that, except that none of you guys sent me a slide hammer since the last time I did that. So when somebody sends me a slide hammer with the flange on it, then I can easily put it onto my wheel nuts and pull out my axle. But a brake drum worked just as good. There we have it. Both axles are out. That means I get myself a 9/16 and get in there and remove that center carrier piece. And I got myself a bungee to just hang the drive shaft out of the way. So there's my 2-piece drive shaft. Comes all the way back here to the differential. And I'm trying to avoid the drips right now. Let's get these nuts removed off this rear U-joint. Okay, well, there's 4 nuts, 4 lock washers removed off the rear yoke. And just Let's loosen those yokes up a little bit. Drive shaft forward. Okay, having some problems here getting the drive shaft to go forward enough. There it is. Okay. Where's my bungee? Hello, bungee, where are you? Right in the middle of the water. And my coveralls have soaked up an awful lot of that water. That's just really fortunate. Not. There, I've got the drive shaft tied up out of my way. Here's differential, right in the bright sunlight. Somebody have an accident and their horn stuck? Nope. Maybe somebody broke into a car, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is get out and get my 9/16 ratchet, or maybe impact, so I can get all of those out a little quicker. We know we're working on a 9-inch because the bottoms I have to take out with a wrench. You can't do that with a socket on a 9-inch. Okay. I'm right-handed, but I'm using my left hand right now. But apparently I'm no good right-handed holding the camera either. But I may as well take these out while I'm here. Those weren't all that tight. Gotta blame the mechanic that put it together. That would be me. But I really have no idea why they're not really that tight. I know I came down here one time and retorqued them on account of I had a little bit of a drip. So I thought, oh, I'll get down here and torque them up. And I did. So, this is awkward. Okay, there. That's the last of the ones that has to be done with a wrench. The rest of them can be done with a socket. So I moved my floor jack back a little bit on the differential. I always leave a jack underneath just in case my axle stands don't do something they're supposed to do. Anyway, so the jack's still underneath there, just ready to catch it in case the world falls in on me. I have the nuts off and it's basically loose. Well, probably I put silicone on the gasket last time, so I would guess it's not loose. Anyway, underneath there I have a small hammer and I have a chisel type tool, and I'm going to go underneath there and try and spread the two pieces apart. Okay, this camera for the last 15 minutes has probably been off. Did not record anything. I have no idea what I was talking about. But anyway. out onto the wood. Just get my body switched around here. Okay, we now have a differential that's out. What am I going to do about it? Oh. Wonder if I can. Whew. Okay. Now what? This is where you need a friend. Whew. Okay. I'm going to go back under there and put the bucket under the diff in case it drips some more, and get the other camera out from underneath there.